everyone, it's Erin Floto here, and I am here for a weekly setup. Now, if you've been following on my Instagram, you know that I have been gone this weekend, and last night my flight was delayed pretty badly. It was delayed 3 hours, so I didn't get in until about 2 a.m. is when I got home. So this is going to be a very simple weekly. I had a great time. I mean, I don't like Florida, but I had a very good time in Florida because I got to see my family and my fiance and his family, and they all got to meet. And so it was a really good time outside of the fact that it was Florida, because I just have feelings about Florida. Now, this setup worked really well for this week. I'm not going to do this setup this week. I'm going to keep it incredibly simple. I'm talking the absolute bare minimum that I need to do, because half of this week is really going to be a catch-up week essentially, and there's only a couple things that I'm focusing on day to day. So I'm going to return to a spread that I always go to when I just need to simplify things. So let's go ahead and set it up. Well, it's simple as that. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. Basically what I've done is a weekly that I've done in the past, where I just keep a running list, and you can see, like with inbox 0, I know that that is a task that I do every day of my work week. So I have it going on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So this type of weekly is really easy for me to move things around for the days, especially because I'll probably only have a couple main things that I'm worried about this week. The rest of it will be catch up and orders and things like that. And then I put a little habit tracker up here because I had a ton of space. So that worked out really well because I've been missing my habit tracker this week. That's the only thing about this spread, is I really missed the habit tracker. I suppose I could have put it down here, and then whatever I ended up doing on the weekend, if I actually used it, then I could have moved it over here. But I like this like one page weekly. It's really nice after a vacation or something like that, just to have that running list going. Am sorry about my cat's tail. They missed me apparently. And today, actually, while I'm filming, is my birthday. So I just made a little happy birthday to me on here. So thank you guys for who saw it in my stories and messaged me, because it always makes me feel really good, even though I'm getting old, so that's not fun at all. But it's really nice because, you know, I will be getting married before my next birthday, so it was kind of, I don't know, it was a nice little thing for myself. So I'm really excited about that. I got a ton of Harry Potter gifts from my family because they know me very well, and from my fiance. So yeah, that's how I'm using this week, and I hope to see you all on Friday. Keep a lookout for my Instagram stories, because this Friday's video will be dependent on what you guys vote on in the stories. So thank you all so much. Don't forget that there is this giveaway, the Simply Gilded giveaway, and I decided to throw in a little item of my own, which is this Dream Plan Achieve, which, if you never saw it, that was the front of my last one, but in hollow foil. So I'm giving away the black vinyl version for this Simply Gilded giveaway. So go check out that link that I will put in the description below. And thank you all for joining me for another week, even if it's pretty late that it's going up today. But I could not, I mean, getting in at 2 a.m. isn't easy, and I've had to start working at 6. So thank you all for joining me, and I will see you on Friday. Bye, everyone.